Ummi, can we bake? Can we please bake?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sorry we haven't seen you guys in a while because we're busy packing and moving and things like that.
Yeah, sorry we didn't see you guys for a long time because we've been moving our stuff and then unpacking. But today we're going to be filming today in our new house, which is going to be really exciting.
And this is our new kitchen.
It's really big and really nice. Alhamdulillah. What we like about our new kitchen is that it's really spacious and there's like a lot of space in the kitchen, and then you have this space where you can sit and like if you have family over, you can like spend time with your family.
Was it hard helping your mom and dad move?
Yes.
How did you help your mom and dad move?
Well, I packed some boxes. My sister, she packs like 100,000. I packed like 1,000,000.
Yeah, we packed some boxes.
Why didn't you take?
Okay, so we did this competition, and so we had to do this thing. So whoever packed the most boxes is the winner in first place, and the person that did not the least amount is second place, and the person that did the least is in third place. And so I don't know who's in first place or second place or blah.
We had to help our mom a lot because she broke her thumb when we were moving, so it was kind of hard for her. And that's also why you guys haven't seen us for a while.
And her thumb is still broken, except we can do this.
Yeah.
There's a special dua that you can say when you get hurt. Even if you say, when you get hurt, you should also say Alhamdulillah, because then you can move to a higher level of Jannah.
When you get hurt, you can say Allahumma anta shafi ishfini. It means, oh Allah, you are the one who cures, so cure me.
What's the first thing we're going to be making in our new kitchen?
We're going to be making oatmeal cookies in 2 ways.
I know, they're going to be chocolate chip and
Raisins.
raisin, I forgot.
That's going to be really
Silly me.
yummy.
So let's tell everyone the ingredients. So you need some oatmeal. You also need some flour and some flax seeds and some cinnamon. These are grounded flax seeds because we use the blender to blend them. They're very good for your heart and for fighting diseases. You know, the oatmeal is good for your body too. It's good for your skin, and some people take baths in it. Real. I'm not lying.
So you're also going to need some butter, some brown sugar, some white sugar, and some milk, and we added our vanilla inside our milk, and also 1 egg. So I'm going to put all the wet ingredients into the stand mixer.
And I'm going to put all the dry ingredients with the oatmeal. Don't forget to say Bismillah and wash your hands.
So scrape down the sides until it's fully incorporated. So we divided our dough into 2 equal parts, and we're gonna be making this is how we're gonna be making them into 2 different types of oatmeal cookies. So I'm making mine chocolate chip oatmeal cookies.
And mine is oatmeal raisin cookies.
Make sure you scrape out any leftovers.
Yep. Because Allah hates waste.
And now just
And Shaitan loves waste.
you
You
can
can
put,
put as many or as less as you want.
just mix it until they're not
All of it is combined, like stuck together. See, mine, it's almost done already.
yeah, like mine, almost done. So we're gonna use an ice cream scoop to put them on a tray, and you don't want to put them too close because they can stick together.
In the oven. We gotta say that.
So I'm gonna make 1 line of chocolate chip ones, and Lee is gonna make 1 line of the raisin ones.
The temperature of the oven has to be 350 degrees.
Depending on the size of your cookies, you're probably gonna have to bake them for 10 to 15 minutes.
Can you stop dancing?
Let these cookies cool on a cooling rack.
We ended up baking our cookies for 20 minutes. The cookies are done.
Now for the delicious taste test.
Now it's delicious.
I'm not a big fan of raisins, but I'm gonna try the chocolate chip ones.
I'm gonna try the raisin ones.
Don't forget to
Alpha-
say
Don't
Bismillah.
forget to say Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Don't forget to watch it because it is
Yeah.
taste. How
It tastes so good.
Cover your mouth.
Lena, how did the raisins one taste?
I just said it. It tastes so good.
And these ones are awesome.
We hope you guys give these a try. And
Jazakallah khairan for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Assalamu alaikum.
See you next time.
Sorry, I flew in my mouth. What are these?
Raisins.
Oh yeah, raisin.
Down. You have flour all over your face. Stay tuned, you guys, for more delicious recipes coming in our new kitchen.
Next one will be like something cakey, I see, or something.
Or maybe it's like pastries, maybe.
I think it's cake with Shopkins, I think.
A cake with like tomato?
No, a face with Shopkins. I don't know. I think it's that. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. It is. It's a cake and it has Shopkins, like those, like a fish
I remember.
That's what it is. That's what it is. Is it recording?